Hi everybody, my name is Bob Berkman. I'm the Outreach Business Librarian here at the University of Rochester. In this short video, I'm going to give you a source and some tips for doing job or internship hunting in this really tough time to look for jobs. So first, let's kind of take a little bit of a lay of the land. And as you can see here, that the current job scene does look bleak indeed. Job postings are way down. However, at the same time, we can also take a look at the fact that certain industries, services, and companies are actually hiring more than ever. I encourage you to browse this list after this video to see if there's something you're interested in. Let's take an example. Let's say you want to work in the pharmaceutical area, which is an area that does seem to be hiring right now. I'm going to show you a source called Reference USA. It's going to allow you to narrow and find just those kinds of sources that you're looking for, or actually those companies and institutions. The way to get to Reference USA, you can start at our library homepage, hit Reference, go down to Databases, click Reference USA into it right here, click Search. I'll pull the database right up. Just click on it like that. Then when it pulls up, what we want to do is go to U.S. businesses. That's a listing of over 15 million U.S. businesses in the country. And again, we're going to narrow it down. We'll go to Advanced Search, which is where we can do the narrowing. And here you can say you just want to find pharmacies, and let's say in Rochester, New York. So how do you do that? Well, you're going to see these various filters that come up that allow you to just put in your designated filters for yourself. So business type, keyword right there. Let's go right here and put in pharmacy. Let's click search. We'll see everything related to pharmacy right here. Let's click it. Now let's go to city and state right here. All right, let's put in Rochester, New York. I'll just put in Rochester right here to keep it simple at the moment. Then we will pick Rochester, New York. You can also filter by state or zip code and so forth. So right here, Rochester. Now let's update the count. Okay, out of those 15 million companies, 108 of our pharmacies in Rochester, New York. Let's take a look at the results here. All right, what do we got? We're going to take a look, and we'll see if there's something that might be of interest for us here. Here's several of them. Let's take a look at this Cardinal Health, for example. We'll click on that, and we'll see we can learn a lot of information about this organization, including key people, finances, location, and also, very nicely, we can also find out if there are jobs currently for that company. So this is the first database I'd recommend, and if you need more information, please feel free to contact me at any time. I'm happy to help whenever you need it. And best of luck in this tough time with a job search.